everybody, what is up, what is new, and how are you? Hi guys! So I got to build my first PC slash dream PC, and I'm super excited to get into it, and clearly Basil is excited as well. But I built this in the Phanteks NV9, which is a monster of a case. And here are some of the excellent parts I have in this PC. I have a white motherboard I don't know how to say the name of. I have the Intel i9-12900K, a Samsung 2TB SSD, and the T-Force DDR5 32GB of RAM, and the Leon Lee LCD screen AIO pump. So pretty. So I went ahead and did the other parts on stream, which unfortunately I have no clips of because that was a stressful situation, but I'm just tightening down the AIO pump here because I jumped off stream in a tizzy because I was quite stressed from building this. I'll tell you, this is my first time building a PC, and it is actually very, very intimidating, and like, yes, it's easier than you think it is, but it really scared me. But look at this pretty little accessory box the NV9 comes with. Oh, I love it so much. Everything about this case, I just was so thrilled. Even like the weight of this glass. Oh, absolutely wonderful. It comes with these cool LED strips over top of the where the motherboard goes. So this part, this had me stressed. I was incredibly stressed by this situation. I cannot believe that this is how you mount a motherboard. It was like stressing me out that I had to hold the entire thing by the AIO pump, and there's a good chance I was doing that wrong. Okay, I could talk about this for years. This power supply, I got it at the Micro Center, and it was the last one. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Ah! Cherry blossoms! Are you kidding me? That's so cute and pretty, and I was not expecting to get a pretty power supply at all. So I felt incredibly blessed. And it comes with, wait, pull it out. Pink and white braided cables, ladies and gentlemen. Look at how beautiful that is. I was over the moon. Look at how cool these are. And also, do not mind that I 100% in about a couple seconds, I'm going to put one of the cords into the wrong thing. I didn't realize that I have a newer graphics card, and so I definitely put it into the wrong thing. So just don't worry about that. Oh, Sage.
Hello.
Anyways, so I'll be honest with you, this was a whole situation, and the cable management in the back is not exactly the best, but here I'm just putting in the that's a great question. What is this? I don't even know what this is. I just knew it went to this, and that the other part went to the other part. It like connects to the case. So like the motherboard to the case. You know what I mean? So that was what that was. But then this also does that too, I'm pretty sure. Like, I'll be honest with you, I built this PC on a hope and a dream. That's genuinely how I felt doing it, and I just kind of guessed. Ooh, I thought this was going to be for the graphics card. That was not for the that was not the right cord. Yeah, then I started installing this, the AIO pump fans, and I'll be honest with you, this works about half the time. No, not the pump, but the screen. So if anybody has any advice about why my screen on my AIO pump is freaking the heck out, just let me know. But I did that thing. I did do that thing. Then here's my beautiful 4070 Super in white. All white build, you know, very expensive, very worth it. It is so beautiful. So, but yeah, I got this also in a nice little steel at the Micro Center. Thrilled about that one. And I'll be honest with you, this you're gonna see about 30 seconds of this. This took me probably like an hour and a half because I was so stressed that it kind of looked like it might be tilting slightly, and the idea that it may or may not be sagging was stressing me out, but I actually don't think it was sagging at all. I think I was being a little over dramatic. Like, see, that doesn't look saggy. Okay, well, it did, but like now it really doesn't look saggy, so I think we're good. And look at that. Look at that PCIe. Oh wait, is that the right one? No, it's not. No, see, that was not the right thing. So just sitting right there so nicely. So yeah, and look at how nice the cables look all of a sudden, and that was 100% all my doing. I did that myself. That was totally me. I had no help at all to make the cords look nice. Oh, I have about a million of these guys. I also had an impulse purchase here at the store at the Micro Center when I got these, and I did not get reverse blades. So some of them are backwards, and that's fine, okay? Look, I still think they look pretty, all right? And this isn't forever, okay? This might be mainly my dream build, but when I have my full dream build, these will have little LCD screens on them, you know? Then the reverse blade matters, right? But at this present moment, it doesn't. And I wish you could hear this, but they click together so nicely. This took me a good hour and a half to figure out. I will not lie to you. It was something. What even... Oh, this is what took me an hour and a half. What the heck is this? I sat there confused out of my mind about how to click that little thing on. You know what? I did it that fast. Don't even listen to me. It was that quick. I would like to take a moment here to let you know that I also installed every single one of these fans wrong initially, and that I did have to undo them. That is another part of this that you are not seeing. So just know that was the reality of the situation. But you know what? At the end of the day, it's worth it, really, because they are beautiful. They are. Oh, also, I did not have to take off the bottom of this. I don't know why I did this, but I took the bottom off the case thinking that was what needed to happen. But Fantex made this so beautifully and nicely. They really just made it so you could slide that little compartment out for your fans. So thank you, Fantex. I wish I had more clarification on that, though. Okay, I will say this. Nobody makes good instruction manuals. Not a single person. I thought for sure these cords weren't going to fit under this. I was convinced. I was actually so convinced, but they did. They did fit. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. So yeah, and then I really didn't think it was going to boot on. Oh, here's another little tidbit. During this point, I turn on my PC with a new surge protector I had just gotten, and 2 seconds after the PC turned on, I look over and Basil takes a chunk out of the surge protector cord and everything shuts off, and I thought I killed my roughly $2,000 PC. $3,000 PC. Don't get a bunny. Don't get a bunny. Anyways, isn't this pretty? Okay, well, now we're gonna get to the end of this, and then I'll show you some really pretty shots and I'll shut up. But I just thought I would give you some beautiful context to the scenarios, look at that door! What PC case has doors like that? It covers all the cords, the cable management so nicely. It has tooth combs on the bottom. Anyways, here's B-roll.